To take a screenshot, you're going to push the home button on the right side and the lock button or the on-off switch with your left at the same time. That will take a photo of the screen. You can either click on it at that moment and mark it up, or save it to photos and mark it up later. Just a quick reminder that pushing on the lock button will put your iPad to sleep, and clicking that button again will wake it back up and allow you to unlock it and resume use. Holding your button down will completely turn off your iPad. Slide to power off, and it will be shut down. And then you will do the same thing to turn it back on. Hold that button down until you get the Apple symbol to come back on. Okay, so now I want to show you how to edit and mark up your screenshot, which does become a photo. So I'm going to go to my photos, click that. I'm going to just pull up the photo that I screenshotted previously. And now I have a lot of options of what I can do with this photo. So I'm going to click on edit up here at the top, and I have all kinds of different icons of things I can do with my photos. So my favorite one is the crop button. I'm going to click on that, and this allows you to crop your photo to the size that you want. It also works with a video, which is nice if you just want a little piece of it. You can also, this happens sometimes where your photo's the wrong direction, so you can click on this button to turn it however you would like. The button next to it flips it. And then you can also use this button with the magic wand over here to change the lightness, darkness of your photo, and you can leave that how you want it. And then to actually do the markup on the photo itself, you're going to click on these three dots up in the corner. This is also on if you have an iPhone as well. And there's the markup. And now we have all kinds of things that we can do to this photo. I'll just start at the top. Obviously you have an undo button. If you need to undo something you did, I can use my marker. I can choose the width of the tip and the darkness to draw. Let's say I'm going to use this for my students to do a close read. I want them to pay attention to this paragraph. Maybe I highlight something I want them to look at over here. Obviously there's an erase tool. You can change your colors on all of that. And then down here, we're looking at this plus button down here. This is where we can add text, signatures. Signatures kind of nice. I can add a new signature. I already have practiced this. Signature, I can put it where I want, make it bigger, smaller. And this is handy if you need to sign a document, or if you want to sign your students' awards. That's another option. A text box on there with some directions. I now have the option to do this. And I can move this where I want. When I do so, I can click on the little A over here. That'll change your font and change the size and color. Move that wherever you want that to go. And then anything else you want to do on your photo, when you're finished, click done. It's going to save And then hit done again. That is inside the edit button, and now I have my new photo saved. I can double check. There it is. And then if you want to send that or upload it somewhere, there's your Shero. You can airdrop it, you can message it, you can email it, depending on what you want to do with that photo that you have. And that's it. All right.